So getting you more on the NIA raids, the story that broke first here on Republic that is being conducted across Srinagar and now even in Delhi, as there are different locations simultaneously that is being raided by the National Investigation Agencies. We're getting to know that at least 6 NGOs and trusts and 9 places that are being searched currently. This is the second day of raids that are now taking place, whether be it in Srinagar, in Bandipora, and we're getting to know in other locations like in the national capital. So what is being said that in the garb of charitable work, money and funds that were being used to spread unrest in the valley, and it is being said that the Hurriyat is also now under the radar of the NIA. Zafar Ahmed Bhatt, who was the chairman of the JK Salvation Movement, is being raided by the NIA. He has also been summoned by the NIA in May 2019. Yesterday, the raids that were conducted at 10 different places in Srinagar and Bandipora. Today is the second consecutive day of the raids that continue. Shravan is with us with more information on this. So Shravan, how many locations are we looking at, and what exactly is the claim that is being investigated by the NIA?
Well, in fact, the latest information that we have, Avita, is that the searches are continuing not just in Srinagar, but a new city has been added, which happens to be the national capital itself. In fact, 6 NGOs and trusts where these searches are being carried out. A total of another 9 places we're being told where these searches are being carried out. Remember, this comes a day after massive raids were basically carried out in Srinagar, where about 10 locations in Srinagar and Bandipora and 1 location in Bangalore where these raids were being carried out. Now, the case that has been registered by the NIA, which was basically registered just a couple of months ago under the UAPA sections. In fact, this is what the NIA essentially believes, that these NGOs and trusts where the searches are being carried out, they were basically raising funds in India and abroad in the name of charitable activities, and then they were using these funds for carrying out secessionist and separatist activities in Jammu and Kashmir. And in fact, the NIA says that they have some credible information that they were collecting these funds domestically and abroad and through the so-called donations and business contributions, and they were then utilizing these funds for secessionist and terrorist activities in Jammu and Kashmir. Some of the biggest names in the valley, like for instance, Khurram Parvez and his associates like Parvez Ahmed Bukhari, Parvez Ahmed Matta, and also some other people who were their residents were also basically searched by the National Investigation Agency.
All right. Shravan, thanks very much for the update. So, second consecutive day of NIA raids that is taking place. This is a massive crackdown on terror activities that is being said on these different locations that are being simultaneously searched by the NIA.